The university campus here at Silsoe was founded in the 1960s. It was initially developed as a college of agricultural engineering, and one of its greatest strengths is in the area of cultivation and traction studies. We have done much work in that area ever since by linking the important parts of soil dynamics and soil machines to crop development and more latterly the environment. 2 years ago we initiated a study that was thought about and brought to our attention by Helmut Claas and Hermann Gabers. This was to compare the effects of rubber tracks with those of tyres at different inflation pressures and loads. Much of this work had really been necessary for about the past 20 years, ever since the rubber track was developed by Caterpillar. In the new laboratory, which we opened on the 8th of September, we in future will be able to study the effects of full-size machines, tractors, combine harvesters and other large equipment to study the effects of both traction and compaction.
The soil in the soil bin is scraped in layers and rolled to the required density. In between, talcum powder lines are placed into the soil to be able to measure soil deformation afterwards in a vertical cut through the profile. Now, after the preparation of the soil bin, this frame behind me is being pulled back, and then the hydraulic cylinder lowered down, the track sits on the ground, the load is transferred from the frame onto the axle with this hydraulic ram, then a button is pressed and the frame drives itself automatically out of the soil bin. The results show the clear benefit of the TerraTrack system in comparison with normal tires. The TerraTrack creates a very dense layer very close to the surface, which is able to take the load off the following rear tire and spread this load uniformly over the soil below without creating further damage to the soil below. Whereas after a tire, the tire size on the rear axle is very crucial because additional damage does happen with the subsequent pass after a wheel on the front axle. Further results have shown that the draft force required to loosen the soil in the soil bin or loosen the soil after the pass of a tracked machine is only 1/3 compared to after a pass of a wheel-type machine.